Hello friends, welcome back to my beautiful gardening life, and today I'm going to talk about this plant. It is called as the Piper crotatum, or it is also called as the Piper ornatum. This is there with me for quite some time. You might have seen it in my purchase video in the month of February, and since then I've been taking care about this plant. You can say it's my current favorite because of the amazing shape of the leaves and also the color on the leaves. If you notice, there is this lovely pinkish color or slightly reddish color to the leaves, and also these long leaf stalks are not attached to the main stem at the end of the leaf, but somewhere in the middle of the leaf. So this is like a unique feature for me when I look at the leaves. But today I'm sharing this plant with you not about its beauty or anything, but because of these dots that I see on the underside of the leaves. Now when I first noticed them, the thought that came to my mind, oh my god, it is having a mealybug attack. But after a lot of reading and a lot of research, this is something called as exudates, or you can say plainly that this plant exudates or leaves out small you can say beads on the underside of the leaves and also on the stem. Now these are not an infestation. In time what happens is they turn black and eventually they kind of fade out. So many times you may be tempted to treat it like an infestation of mealybugs or some bugs. Please do not do that, because in that process you may harm your plant. I'll tell you exactly what these small beads are. Exudates basically means like a mast cell or a liquid that is released from an organ. Now in this case it is the plant. It is releasing this out because of some inflammation. Now what could be the possible inflammation this plant is experiencing that it's leaving out these exudates or small beads of crystal? Now when you touch it, they're not exactly melting in the hand, but they're quite small grains of sand to touch. The main cause they're saying, the reason why a plant exudates, mostly pipers, is because of excessive sunlight. So if this plant is getting more than 8 hours of direct sunlight, chances are there that it is producing more of photosynthesis, and as a result it is leading to this exudates. So if you experience something like this with your plant, the first thing that you would have to do is change it or to another spot where it gets partial sunlight. Like I said, it does not affect the growth of the plant negatively. So you can go ahead and remove it if you wish to, if you do not want to see those tiny dots, because they eventually turn black, and that point of time you may have to remove it off from the plant. What I've done is I've just taken cotton, dipped it in water, and I've just wiped each and every leaf along with the stem to get rid of it. Another way you could do is just let it be. Okay, and then when it has completely dried out and turned black, maybe you could just remove it with the tip of your finger. So to avoid exudates from happening, you can only remember these 2 points: that it should not receive excessive sunlight. You can move it to a partial shaded area, and also avoid keeping the soil of the plant moist at all point of time. So before watering, just wait for the topmost layer to dry out, and then you could move ahead and give water. So these 2 points would avoid exudates. Hope this video was beneficial and informative. Thank you so much for watching. I see you again in the next one. Thank you. Bye.